I was watching this. Out of 10 abusers out there, it's only 2 that are reported, right? And then more especially amajele wabafazi, it's because of it was a self-defense. Abaningi bagcine bebulala. Kukhona umunye umama eStratton sethu othi makasifiso. Ngangazi mina ukuthi umuntu makashila ngashrink umuntu omdala bengaka. I was only 10. Umshisi indoda ngoba every weekend yayihlala imshaya. Wayazi ukuthi yena uzoba weekend special. Until walinda walala wamshisa ngeacid. Ngangiqala ubona umuntu ongaka mina emdala shrink. Ngangazi ukuthi umuntu shrink kanjalo. Kuthiwa most of abuse abantu besifazana ababoshiwe, it's because of that.
Injalo kulokhunjana kulento le bengiloko ngiyenza ngicela ukufundelana kancane. It's according to research, South Africa is considered a country with high cases of domestic violence. Statistics report for 2023 suggested over 15,000 women were victims of physical and sexual assault. Additionally, more than 960 women were killed because of domestic violence related cases.
Did you say abuse and sexual it's 15, but those who were killed it's 900?
900 reported. Asikhulume ngalezi
no,
and then asikhulume ngalezi ezifihlwa ukuthi uyangithanda uyangilungisa no.
You said 900 what?
900 and in South Africa 960 women were killed because of domestic violence related cases. Tina sizwa 1-2 nyana, you understand, because of sekule 1-2 nyana. Omunye sesowethu uzwa 1-2 nyana. And then asibala ukuthi eDurban eCape Town kophi. But women eMzansi phela ababulewe through domestic violence. 2023 askaka ama statistics wala stiya ngithawa this year wakathathu azovela nawo mawavela because bengifuna wa this year so unyaka akapheli. Yes, 970 reported. So this thing it's alarming, like this thing ikhula ngenye indlela like yabona babathi wildfire. Ikhula like a wildfire, like it's all over, bruh. It's all over. It's not okay, but it is all over.
I was watching, there was this lady who was trending, who got assaulted badly. I think umuntu wakhe awusafunctioni because the boyfriend was looking for her sister. I take her in uzomkhipha.
Yeah.
And now, because the guy had money, because guys got money rather. Whereas he's walking free. Because of usebenzisana namaphoyisa. It's another thing. With my case, it's different. Right now, my brother, he was falsely accused. Kunalo mama bega circulator eKusoneville City olimele ukuthoshayo ingane yakhe. Did you see that? You know that my brother, we were boshwe.
For real.
I-reasoning yalo mama. Okay. Lo mama lona une history no mama. Bebengazwani, like divide umuzo oyi-1. So now uxabana nomakoti wasekhaya pregnant azothi ngizokushayisa ngezulu, like ulo mama udume ngokuthi nje kuthiwa wrong estrategy or mangithi blocking yethu. And then within a week after she uttered those words, sister-in-law yami totally stillborn, which I blame my brother for confronting the lady azothi intando yakho ke yenzekile, azothi mthakathi. Remember ke kuma rights wethu leyo nto leyo nje deformation of character, and then kube nama street committee mosi ikhulunywe idlule. So now umntwana wakhe, because nina abafana isikhathi esiningi nithanda ukunakela izinto lezi eziphethe, you find them petty. Uthole brother yami egate-ini amcela ukuthi amkhapha ayokuthenga ibi, so bafike bahlale phansi kwesihlahla kwalo mama. Lo mama lona mangizwa ukuthi brother yami that day ayifuna ukuphuza because of ebezosebenza in few hours and then ebene exam online the next day. Lo mama a confront umntana ukuthi why uhlala nezitha zami. Why uhlala nezitha zami? Uma qedile uzobuyela endlini ngapha ubhizi uphuza imali yakho nezitha zami and all that. Kuthiwa lo mama utheke nasekafika endlini washaywa. Makashaywa lo mama lona uvula icase ukuthi ibrother yami emshayile. Luckily the time yenzeka lento my brother bekasebenza. So une alibi. 2 abantu abafike kwisini babonile ukuthi kwenzakaleni umphakathi. So now ibrother yami iyaboshwa because lo mama uthi yena into ayaziyo ukuthi umntana wakhe umgcine ehlene brother yami and brother yami isitha sakhe. I'm talking about attempted murder here of a pensioner, a female pensioner. System yethu the way is faila ngakhona
bazobopha ubhuti wakho
without investigation. Wachajwa.
Yebathu ene alibi
Wachajwa. Ngeso sikhathi leso mina mangisuka la. That was 3 weeks ago. Angikhulumi into ekudala. Mangisuka lana mina ngifika umphakathi umegidi nalo mama lona bafuna ukushisa ukuthi makangayokhipha ibrother yami bazoshisa because of they know the truth. They were the one who were there. Mangifika police station brother ngayikachajwa. Ngitshelwa ukuthi because of sebembhalise kwi-administration they cannot just bona bachithe ilento zanafanele kuhanjwe nge-3 process sesiyofika ku-magistrate. Now we're still talking about the abuse. Lo mama abuse umntwana wakhe. Lo mntwana wakhe une pending case vele already that was active khona lapha and he's on the run. Umntwana wakhe as we speak. But my brother now kuthiwa angeke sikhona ukuyichitha le case because of abantu abayi2. Fanele uyoxoxa court ibe magistrate udecideayo.
Ukuphi yana manje?
Ubani?
Ubhuti wakho.
Uye waphuma.
Okay.
But uphuma sekachajiwe unama fingerprints. My brother works with banks like if bangathi bayam-assessa manje uzothola criminal record. And then he was told to ukuthi akalinde azoyo clear. Someone said to us, you know that it can even take 10 years.
Yeah, it can.
For just ukuthi i-reason ukuthi ngithi naye bekakho ungishayile it's because of bagcine emini beyi2. You understand? Same goes now that we're talking about the abuse. How many men abakhona report abuse? Abaphuthi bethu nabomalume bethu bayashaya nabantwana bethu.
Yeah, ba few because sinale ngqondo ukuthi ngiyindoda. And futhi nale imithetho le yakudala leyo ukuthi uyindoda naye besicindezela kakhulu because of amadoda bebeya reporter and then mabafika le ema police station bahlekwe.
Njalo.
Mashawa umfazi. Yabo? Mashawa umfazi. So naleyo nto leyo isenze ngenye indlela. But abuse ikhona nakithi amadoda.
Yes. Yeah. Now njengoba ngisho lento ngikhunjulwa oyi1 wamaphoyisa back then. So this is what I used to do. Uyangishaya ngiyombophisa angincenge ngoma charges.
Yes.
Angishaya ngiyombophisa bagcina bathi lalela sayingendaba yakho wena. Wena uabuser ama resources we state wena. You understand? And then sometimes there's this thing yokuthi how can I say this? Uloku ya reporter but this person is in favor with umthetho. What should we do as women? What should we do? Sometimes mina into engiyaziyo ngangasamthanda ugayi ngangimsaba. Because once ngithi ngisakufuna bengishayela ukuthi wangasamfuna shoot when uyajola. You know that I couldn't bring a new style ekhaya like maybe I was with girls and then maybe we start talking about sex and all that.
Ngizulu xoxa.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like ngifike ngithi ngizama into entsha.
Uyifunde phi?
Exactly. You know that we go through such things thina singabantu besifazane. So now and then uyazi ukuthi lo muntu lo moya umbophisa angeke bakuthathe serious. What should we do?
Yabona kuleyo nekhona manje that's why ngithi okay umuntu bayagula yabo i-sickness but khona amalokhunja ama structures abekiwe adila naleyo nto uyanganasana. For example if usho ukuthi awusamufuni uhleli because of uyamsaba uyahamba umvulele protection order. From ekuvuleni protection order bazokutshela nabo lapho ukuthi khona amalokhunjana adila nale situation okuyo and then you find out ukuthi abaphi bakhona abo sanka abo women and abuse you understand akhona yabo then you go in there uhlala phansi ulalela the people ababe ku the same situation onayo okuyo and then ukuthi baphume kanjani uyanganasanda.